Hey everyone, my name is Ethan with Ohio's Electric Cooperatives, and in our last video we learned a little bit about what electricity was and how it works. Well, today, with some help from our friends from COSI, we're going to build upon that and see how we can actually make electricity using some other form of energy. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Katie, and thanks for joining me again to talk more about electricity. Now, in our first video, we discovered one way that we could generate electricity by moving a magnet inside a coil of copper wire. Now, you can tell that this time my setup is a little bit different. I still have a coil of copper wire, and I have a magnet, but it is above my wire here. Now, you can see that the magnet isn't touching the wire, but its magnetic field is. So if we can get a way to spin this copper wire inside of that magnetic field, it will make the electrons in the atoms of the copper wire move, and that will generate an electric current. Now, that electric current will travel through these wires to light this up in our device over here. Now, one way that I could get this copper wire to spin is by using my own energy. Luckily, I had a great breakfast this morning, so I have chemical energy inside of my body. Now, if I convert that chemical energy into kinetic energy or energy of motion by turning this crank, then I can make my copper wire spin. So let's use some of that kinetic energy to spin my copper wire inside of this magnetic field, and we'll see if we can make this light up. Now, if I didn't want to turn this crank all day, we would need something else to make that copper wire spin. And that's what we'll explore in our next video.